Hello, hello everyone. This is Kiran Edupuganti. Good morning and good evening, everyone. Um, this is from rewirechannel. You can refer me by rewire by automation, or you can reach me to the Gmail ID rewirechannel gmail.com. In case if you have not gone through my channel intro, uh, here is the link that it will navigate to the video. So for a quick second, for a quick minutes, I'm going to play the video. Just thanks, team. Thanks for watching this brief intro about at River by Automation channel. It's a day's born baby. So, so with this context, I just wanted to give my intro about me. So, I'm seasoned experience professional, mostly into the QA technologies and automation technologies side. And uh, my experience spread across various domains and technologies, and I architect and led and managed the couple of automation projects throughout my um, extensive tenure period. Uh, Delivering these sessions is not new to me, but this is the first time that I'm going to bring my experience, learn, and exploration, and following on the new technologies, and in line with the new technologies, how we can adapt those learning to the corporate environment where we are working on the projects. So with that experience and kind of workouts, so I wanted to present to the public domain, so that that will be useful to the whoever is interested to start the automation side, or migrating from the functional to the automation side, or who are all already in the automation and wanted to level up their career. So hope my videos and will be useful going forward. So to begin with, so this is about, so wherever you can see, so you can see um, this is the title. You'll see a page talks about. So any page, any blog or any channel, so you can see and you can recognize me by at Reverb by automation. Okay, let's start. Uh, Well, I have extensively experienced in this particular technology, and recently I witnessed a major changes in this particular technology, and this is the good technology as on today, as most of the mm, majority of the people are depending on the mobile apps, and every customer is looking for the good quality of their apps, and every customer is focusing more on the apps automation, in various ways. So as I witnessed, in this particular technology compared to 5 to 7 years back. So if you compare with the version as on today with Appium 2.x compared to the O.X, so there may be there are a lot of changes and sophisticated features implemented in this one, and I would say uh, great thanks to Appium 2.x open source forum who brought into the public and with latest features. And I came to know that one from the intro webinar by the open source forum. So they spent about 3.5 years to bring 2.x into the live. So then you can understand how much importance they have given and what is the significant effort they mention they put into this particular technology, and you can understand what is the sophisticated features we can take leverage of from this version. So keeping that in mind, so definitely my experience would give add value over here. That's the reason I have started my channel first technology from this uh, domain. Okay, so let's start. And why I have taken this particular topic, and what is the major pillars to came up with this particular program. So here Appium Server came up with a lot of features in the from 1.x to 2.x, and there is a significant features advancements in pipeline in the coming quarters as well, based on top of this particular version. And not only adding the features, and they have brought a new features that is expanding. Anyone can use this code base and can expand, can add their own code base, so that it will expand the Appium core. Okay, that is the major thing. And also whoever is interested to develop the new drivers that can be possible and can be added to the Appium core. So suppose any vendor comes with a new OS, so instead of making that as an art scope, so we can develop the own drivers, and we can publish to the market, and we can publish to the forum, so that that can be highlighted, and that can be practiced across various platforms. Okay, so that's the flexibility that we are seeing in the 2.x. And not only the server side, there is a significant changes I experienced in the client side. So the past 5 years, so that's why you can see 2.x to the 9.x version as on today, so that we can feel and experience the easiness in the implementing this particular technology. So my intention is there is a significant and uh, extensive documentation given by the Appium forum. But my idea is to abstract a quick, steps which, in terms of the toolkit, can be useful to the quick the learners who are really interested in this area and wanted to start their career as a apps automation. So that definitely this is going to be a add value for them, so that they can set up in their own system and they can start. So as I said, about the factors driven me to start this particular program. And as a note, uh, this is not going to cover any kind of mobile cloud solutions. Okay, so purely this is on the emulators. So uh, everyone can configure in their system and do the uh, uh, the prepare this setup and start the scripting and start they can do the practice as on today whatever they are doing on the website. So while global solutions also provides, but it's a temporary the period as a trial basis. But if you're working in corporate environment, definitely that will be available as long as you're in that particular business project. However, this is the right the platform that you can build environment at your end, and you can do whenever you want. Okay, so all the cloud solutions follows Appium as a underlying technology. So whoever is learn, definitely this learning will be useful when they move to the cloud solutions in their corporate environment. Okay. What is the new in this technology? Based on my explore and my study on the 2.x, I came to know, driver ecosystem, they brought many changes, and plugin ecosystem they brought, and anyone can develop the plugins and add it to the Appium core, and even drivers also you can develop, and you can add it to the core, and you can also release to the open source forum and can be available to the public. What is the new shift here? And we can see we can expand Appium to the next level, and we can integrate with different technologies. Suppose the plugins is a kind of a piece of software where you can attach it to this Appium core, and you can expand its features. Okay, so for example, plugin in terms of if you are experienced in the Selenium automation, where in order to make an end-to-end solution, so TestNG is the one of the plugin that we are adding into our IDE, and we are making use of for developing the assertions, right? Selenium core is not providing any kind of assertion mechanism, but we are taking the help of TestNG. So that it's a kind of software program where it will provide certain features. Similarly, so you can develop, based on your requirements. Suppose if you have a great idea where it is useful to the end-to-end automation, so definitely you can make it as a plugin format, and you can install along with in the Appium environment, so that same methods can be leveraged in your code base. So in addition to that, they also made significant changes in the docs framework as well, so that anytime we can refer that framework, and we can use wherever it is required. So this is the program that I came up with, and in 3 levels. One is base, build, and augment. Base means, so I'm looking at the learners who are starting, and the learners who are came from the functional side, the learners who are already experienced in the kind of apps automation side, so that they can take. So the base will give this setup, how we can prepare the setup, because it involves multiple technologies. Earlier it is very difficult to configure a setup, but now within 1 year, if you have a decent configuration system, then you can easily do it within 1 year, and in the next second hour you can start your own scripting. Okay, and the second thing is the build. Okay, the build is talking about, I'm just going to give the new features. What are the new features into that one? And it's around the Appium inspector and client. And what are the new methods that adapted in the 9.x from the 6.x to 9.x? I'm going to cover a few. And the implementation part, which covers the uh, entire whatever key things that will be used in the corporate environment. And the third is augment, which talks about the development of the plugins and driver. So that is the later stage that I'm planning. But the first thing is the base and build is the core that I'm ready with the content, and I'm going to publish very soon. Okay. So this is about my Kickstarter toolkit. Any technology, if I'm talking about, I'll just start with Kickstarter, so that within 1 year, within 1 hour, we should be in a position to start the scripting and the learning, and that can be useful for the further explore as well. Okay. So team, thanks. This is about a quick overview on the program that I'm going to publish, and thanks for watching this quick intro about my channel and this program, and uh, I'll I'll catch you in the next session. Thank you, and if you can leave your response, and I'd be happy to see and respond to your messages. Thank you.